People attending offline, any doubts so far? You all want me to change my teaching technique? If you all are not understanding, I can do that also.
I just want to know that the PPT you are showing now, what is it?
What is it? It is made by me. I have made it from the syllabus. Okay. I have not added, or maybe I must have added some example or something, but it is just the copy paste of the book or the summary of the chapter which I put it so that it becomes easy for me to get you all focused here. It is based on this CMT book, okay, CMT syllabus which we have received from the association.
Okay.
Okay, it's from that only.
So you are not providing lectures on based on that particular book, and because like if I have a book, then I can continue reading while understanding you.
Yeah, we do that only. It's all based on the book only. That's what I'm saying. The whole PPT is based on the book. That one book or that study material which we receive from the CMT association. When you will enroll for level 1, you will get this syllabus. It's based on that only. Yeah. The whole PPT, the whole flow will also go in that way only. I'll keep on teaching as per the index only and that study material. Few chapters, yeah.
Please continue.
So few chapters are we give it for self reading because it is just the introduction of futures and options, all those things. That if you all want, we can clear those doubt also. And a few chapters are lengthy, which might take time, or maybe I might take few chapters earlier than the flow. Okay.
Then how will you cover? I missed that earlier class.
The earlier class which happened, we had only 2 lectures now. We have just finished 2 lectures. And that were the history and theory for which the recorded videos are available on the LMS, which you can watch and you can read it from the book and you can ask me if any doubts. Are you planning to give exam in December itself?
No, actually I'm planning for the June, next June.
For the June, so no problem. So when we complete this December batch and we start the June batch, you can attend the starting sections at that time also.
If I join this batch and I want to continue for the next June batch, then I can or not?
I think so, but I'm not sure. Please ask the person who contacted you from Vantage.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fine.
Mostly yes, but I don't know. Any more doubts regarding the syllabus? See, these are the very basic chapters which I think most of you all must be thinking how basic it is. But I'll give you my real life example. When I enrolled to MBA, okay, what I thought was that I'll be learning new subjects or maybe other some different syllabus. But when I saw the syllabus, I came to know it was nothing but what all I did in my BMS, right? Because I did BMS, the whole subjects, the whole syllabus was same, but the difference was the perspective and the instructors who used to come, and those syllabus were taught to us with more detail, okay, with the history, with the detail as to why this particular concept came into being and from where it came into being. So it goes with CMT also. When you do normal technical analysis course which have no association, which have no board, there are so many private technical analysis course, but there you won't be getting the history on the base of that particular subject. Okay, that's the reason why we are given this historical and different types of charts. Now maybe people who are attending right now, they must be not be aware of PNF and all those things, charting techniques. When you watch this YouTube videos, they'll never talk about these charts because they themselves don't know about it. Okay, so that's the what I can say, that's the benefit of doing these kind of courses which is gold standard in technical analysis. And because they have got this whole from 16th century, they have got the whole history. so to give us the confidence on that subject, because there is so many critics around this financial market, especially in India. Okay, they don't accept technical analysis so easily. Okay, so when you get to know about the history and from where it started, you get a little bit confidence of it. Okay, so let's call it the day. We'll meet next week. Okay, any doubts for the demo, people, you can call and ask the person who called you. Okay, have a good week. We'll meet on next Saturday. Take care, enjoy.